What's up, sexies? Welcome back to another video. That's right, I'm back. What? 2 days in a row? Get used to it. So if you haven't heard of ISOxo, you're fucking missing out. This dude's super fucking dope, and to be honest, he might just be one of the only trap, or like, I guess trap-ish artists that really get me excited for this genre and like music overall. Like really, if you're sleeping on him, you're fucking up, man. So this is actually the first song I ever heard by him, and I just remade it real fucking quick while I was high as shit in the beach last week. Yeah, let's just get into it and I'll break down what the fuck I did. I did make it pretty organized so that my Patreons will be able to fuck with this easily. Alright, so this is my shitty ass calculator version. Alright, I wanted to raise the clap on that a little bit. So let's actually break down the drums first, okay? So the whole track's pretty simple and it's still super dope because it's original. So basically it's the same fucking kick but reversed, right? And yeah, and just a clap, which as you've seen earlier, I pitched down a little bit and I turned up a lot of the mid-range and high end as well. And as you can see, it has a little bit of a longer tail, the original sample, and I just shortened it up. Oh shit, I've shortened it up. Fuck, I've shortened it. God damn it. I've shortened it up like this. Yeah, that's it for the drums. The kicks do not have any processing, neither do the hats or the crash. Everything is coming straight from the sample pack. All of these sounds are coming from my new sample pack, High Energy. And then let's get into the synths. So the first sound, and obviously I'm sidechaining everything. The first sound is this, and it's just a variation from one of the, actually both of these synths are coming from a pack I designed last year called Revolucion. So the original actually sounds like this. So that's the original sound. Pretty much the only thing I've done is reshape the LFO to something more like that, but specifically like this. As well as put a LFO 2 to control the master tune, because I wanted it to pitch down like the original one does. So it's not exactly the same, but it does have the same shape. If you want to copy this patch, just pause the video. Here's the whole matrix and all the other settings. So yeah, as far as any effects on it, it's just running through Fat Filter Saturn, so with some subtle saturation with the drive all the way up and some limiting. The next sound will be just a sample from the sample pack, which is, you know, the bass, and I'm rolling it off like this with an with another note, with a slide note. So I just click this button here and I put a slide note right there, just like that, something like that, right? And I've also highlighted it and turned down the volume or velocity so that way it rolls off. Now you could slightly tell that there's a little bit of a bit crush thing, and that's just Effector here with the lo-fi fucking effect. Same limiter on the sidechain channel, because I don't know, I was just limiting the fuck out of the whole thing apparently. So yeah, finally for the synths is the this other one that I designed these last year. These are super old sounds. And I call this one Top XO because obviously I was inspired by Ground. I never really thought about making a remake video for it, but here we are. So really what's happening here is this ring mod filter. If I turn this off, the sound goes away. And you can tell here, I just have the LFO2 kind of like opening up a little bit like this, but it's actually just turning down the cutoff just a little bit, which is making the little vocally like, right? And see, that changes the whole thing. That's pretty much it. Again, if you want this patched, you can just pause the video and copy the settings. As far as processing, I'm EQing the living fuck out of it, okay? You can see right there, if I take off the EQ, It's not bad, but I felt like that was better, right? Lastly, just some Valhalla room, some reverb, giving it more space. For me, this is more to explain the simplicity and the arrangement of this fucking drop because it's just so clean and dope. Finally, a big piece of this, and it's such a small little detail, it's the white noise. Now the bounce really does come from the vocal, and I tried to record my own voice, but the energy wasn't there. So really the sample selection is really what made this song super awesome. Obviously sample selection makes most songs super awesome. So I just took the ground sample from here and I repeated it on the drop. And it doesn't sound as great as the original just because I had to remove a lot of the high end because there's this little laser sound that I couldn't get rid of. But anyway, just for the sake of this tutorial, I think it's fine. So as you can see here, I've also automated the pitch for the vocal, and this is going up 2 notes, and I made sure to put the mode on stretch so that way the sample doesn't change in time. You know what? Just for fun, let's do this. Do a little bit of a remix to it. Let's see, let's grab something from the original as well. Cool snare, maybe like that. Yeah, I want something kind of like high pitch. Alright, cool. I like that. And then I want it to have some reverb. Oh yeah. We're just gonna glitch it up in this bitch. Let's grab like some bass or something. Alright, before we listen to this whole thing all together, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more videos like this, and yeah, let's do this shit. That's it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. If you want this project, consider becoming a Patreon. And don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another drop. Leave some ideas in the comments. Peace.